Verbal reasoning session day 2. In this video lecture, we will discuss the use of preposition in sentence completion. Let's discuss about among and between. What is the difference between these two words? These two words having the similar meaning, but these could never be used as an interchangeable word. Among means surrounded by something or somebody, in the middle of something or somebody, or included or happen in the groups or things or people. It means that when you are talking about more than 2 or 3 people, then you simply use the word among. For example, we saw a house among the trees. I found a letter among a lot of old documents. But between usually means in or into the space separating two or more points, objects, places or people, etc. etc. There is a restaurant between the station and the post office. Basically, these two locations, and you are using the word between. My glasses fell down between the desk and the wall. Sarah's job is somewhere between a secretary and a personal assistant. Here is preposition to and for, where to use to and where to use for. We usually use these two prepositions when we talk about why somebody did something. For example, why did you travel to London? I traveled to London to improve my English. Why did she buy a cake? She bought a cake for her brother's birthday. Where specifically you use to? Basically, when the reason or purpose is a verb, you are using the to word. When a reason or purpose is a noun, then you are using the word for. For example, I drink coffee to feel more awake. Awake is a verb, that's why you are using the word to. I drink coffee for its wonderful taste. Taste is a noun, that's why you are using the word for. Another example is, I'm exercising to stay healthy. Healthy is a verb, that's why you are using the word to. I'm exercising for my health. That is being used as a noun, that's why you are using the word for. You can also use to when you are talking about the movement or change in direction or from one point to another point. For example, I need you to take these books to Sora. You can also use for when you are expressing thanks or gratitude, or you are also explaining the reason that why you are thanking them. For example, thank you for teaching me to play the guitar. Thank you so much for the new shoes. You can also use for when talking about a duration of time. For example, I waited at the station for 2 hours. They have lived in Ohio for 8 years.